My name is Mohammad Owais, and today I'm present here at Nanchang University, where they are celebrating 105th anniversary of Nanchang University and 20 of IEC International Education System. And as well as they are celebrating different international culture festivals, where you will see the different people from different countries. They are holding a booth where they will introduce some different cultures of their countries, and we will go there one by one. And let's go.
文化跟独特魅力，诉说属于能带着国际情怀，促成中外友好交流的崭新故事。
We bring together global cultures and youthful energy on stage, presenting multiple.
老师、同学们，大家上午好。下面我宣布南昌大学第8届国际文化节正式开幕。
感谢评校长，请回席就坐。
Now let's enjoy Colorful Indonesia, presented by Indonesian international students. Please welcome them with a warm applause.
My name is Lishi and I'm from Pakistan, and this is our menu for today. This is biryani, the most famous dish of Pakistan, and this is kebab. We made this from chicken and some like onion and green chili, and this is spring rolls. In spring rolls we use chicken and carrots and cabbage, and this is chana chaat. It's like a very healthy salad in our country, and here is some fruits and this is chicken skewers. In Urdu we say chicken shashliks, and this is also chana chaat.
Hi everyone, I come from Malaysia. My name is Suming Yu. This Malaysia store. We're selling this one. What's name? This is Yerong.
Here presenting my country in the cultural festival in Nanchang last year. This is couscous, the main dish of my country. I think the rest of the things are almost over. This is hajib, and this is bagarit. Yeah, and we had tea from our desert too. Yeah. Thank you.
Hello, I'm from Indonesia. So this is our stall over here, and here we have some of the Indonesian's traditional food. We call it klepon and then visol. And also over here, we have some Indonesian's traditional accessories for dancing. This is actually for girls. And then this is our food. It's klepon. It's very traditional in Indonesia. Outside is a coconut, so it's very delicious. It's very sweet. Yes. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum everyone, I'm from Uzbekistan and these are our national dishes, traditional dishes. This is called plaf, it is rice, meat and curry. And this one is called mante, it's got meat in it and dal. And this one is also something like that, but the type of cooking was different in this. This one is rice and milk. And it's dumplings. Yeah. Thank you very much.
Hello, I'm from Yemen, and this is Yemen both. We have here it's kapsa, it's mifan and jiro. Jigashu naicha, and jigashu Yemen, and jigashu incense, it's like perfumes. And this cap for gears. Wow. Yemeni gears. Yes. Thank you.
Yeah, this is the Jamaican booth, and here we have one of our cultural dishes. This is rice and peas and jerk chicken. We also have jollof rice with a jerk chicken.
So hello, my name is Ibrahim. I'm from Burkina Faso. So today the dishes we are going to sell are chicken. It's mixed with onions and other vegetables. We are also selling plantains. It's like a little bit like banana, but it's more sugar. We also have gizzard that we mix with the soaps. We have these are called pastel. It's a kind of cake made with chicken and sometimes beef or tuna. So thank you.
Hi guys, we're from Morocco and we're offering this food. This is the Moroccan bishnicha. This is batbout. This is bagrir, Moroccan pancake. This is chicken tagine. And this is salad. And that's it. This is, we call it sifla. Sweet. And this is a Moroccan sweet called khapat.
Hello, I'm from Turkey. This is my art books. This is mantı. Like that, mantı. This is baklava, our dessert. This is sarma. This is poğaça. Like that.
Hello, we are Chinese. We stand here from the all these items. We have green bean cake and qing tuan. We can play games from here and to take money and buy everything from here. Yeah. Which game? Touhu. Yeah. Throw the arrow into the bottle and the 夹豆子 踢毽子. Yeah, you can, yeah, like this.
Then, and today we made something like Russian pancakes. And there's also a sweet called like pryanik, and sandwiches with fish. And there was another sandwiches, but it's already sold out. Also, there was what to say? Also, there was vodka, but the vodka finished inside. So guys, that's all. That's all.
Hello, welcome to Nigeria. This is our traditional food. This is jollof rice. This is fried rice. This is also fried rice. This is meat pie, and this is called zobo. Yeah, welcome to try. This is our traditional cup we wear it with our clothes. So welcome to try. Hey, welcome. You can also get a stamp if you want. Let's see. Bye bye.
Yeah.
Made with
Chicken.
banana and
Banana.
flour. Yeah. Yeah. This is chicken. Yeah.
This is what?
This is lentil.
Oh.
Lentil.
Oh. Right.
Yeah. And here we have bread.
Bread.
Yeah.
This peanuts, right?
Yeah, peanut.
Yeah. This is the sausage.
This is chili.
Chili.
Yeah. This is peanut butter.
Peanut butter.
This is, we call it gari. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, Arabican.
I got it.
Yeah. It's made with cassava.
Yeah, I think we have same right now.
Yes. These are seasoning cook.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
food. Right.
This is the butter, oil, oil to marry down. This is the butter, this is palm kernel oil. This is palm kernel oil, so the white one. All are for hair and skin. This one is cooking. Very nice.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Pakistani baby. तो हम इसके बाद में लेते
Over 2 decades of trials and journeys, countless students have stood and grown here. Every pledge and tree on campus precious beautiful memories. Now let's welcome alumni onesie up onto the stage.
我们是用石头做的，然后雕出来，3天3夜的也可以吃，它整个都透光。
This came to end the festival, and now they are gathering on the stage.
Leave the first line for the teachers. Yeah. Guys, you can stand one step behind and leave the first line for the teachers. Let the teachers come. 老师们有请。All right.